Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best baking sheets are probably one of the most essential, yet often overlooked, tools in any kitchen, transforming simple dough into golden brown perfection. And while they might seem straightforward, the right choice can elevate your cookies from good to absolutely divine, ensuring even baking, easy release, and a delightful crunch every single time, making them a crucial investment for any home baker seeking consistent, delicious results. Number 5. Nordic Ware Naturals Half-Sheet Pan, 2-pack. Experience perfectly even browning with every use. Our pure aluminum construction ensures consistent heat distribution for all your baking needs. These pans are designed to last. They are guaranteed to never rust, providing you with reliable performance for years to come. Never worry about warping again. The reinforced steel rims maintain the shape and integrity of the pans, even with frequent use. With generous interior and exterior dimensions, these pans are ideal for a wide range of recipes. They fit perfectly into your home kitchen workflow. Crafted with care in America using domestic and imported materials, these high-quality pieces are made to withstand a lifetime of baking. What we like? This one is made from pure aluminum, ensuring superior heat conductivity for perfectly browned cookies every time. Its galvanized steel rim is designed to prevent warping, making it a durable choice for frequent bakers. If you are looking for a reliable, long-lasting baking sheet that delivers consistent results and is made in the USA, this is the one for you. What people say. The baking sheets are made of heavy-duty aluminum, which ensures even heating and prevents warping. The non-stick coating works very well, making cleanup a breeze and eliminating the need for parchment paper. The rimmed edges provide a secure grip and prevent dough or batter from sliding off. Number 4. Reynolds Kitchens Cookie Baking Sheets. Introducing Reynolds Kitchens Cookie Baking Sheets, your new essential for perfect baking. Get ready for a seamless cooking experience. This package includes 4 packs, each with 25 sheets, totaling 100 sheets. You'll have plenty for all your baking projects. Enjoy easy cleanup with our non-stick design. It prevents food from sticking, saving your cookie sheets from tough messes. Our smart grid lines take the guesswork out of baking. Accurately space your cookie dough 1 to 2 inches apart for even spreading. These versatile sheets are oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and can be used up to 3 times. They are dependable for all your cooking and baking needs. Reynolds parchment paper is the ultimate solution for simple cooking and effortless cleanup. Make your baking routine easier than ever. What we like? These are pre-cut parchment paper sheets, making your baking prep incredibly fast and easy. The non-stick surface means no more scraping stuck on dough, and the smart grid lines help you perfectly space your cookies. If you prioritize convenience and quick cleanup for your cookie baking sessions, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. Baking sheets and pans stay immaculately clean since using these. Perfect for cookies, chicken tenders, French fries, pizza, anything. After cooking, you just throw out the paper liner and pans are clean. It's sturdy, non-stick, and makes baking and cooking much easier. I love that it holds up well in the oven and doesn't tear easily when lining pans or wrapping food. Cleanup is simple, and it prevents food from sticking, which is always a bonus. These parchment sheets are so much better than using parchment on a roll. It's quick and easy to just pull out one sheet, no cutting to size. Just the right size for a regular size baking sheet, and nothing I've made has stuck to it. Number 3. 3-pack reusable silicone baking mat. Our baking mats are designed to withstand high temperatures, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, always use them with a baking tray, not directly on the oven rack. These mats are perfect for a variety of cooking tasks, including baking, roasting, and everyday meal preparation. They ensure even heat distribution for consistent results. Enjoy baking without the mess. Our non-stick surface means you won't need any extra oil, sprays, or parchment paper. Plus, cleanup is a breeze as they are dishwasher safe. Built for longevity, these mats feature a non-slip surface that stays put. You can rely on them for countless baking projects to come. This set includes 2 larger mats measuring 16.53 by 11.61 inches and 1 smaller mat at 11.81 by 8.26 inches. They are a substantial 0.7 millimeters thick for optimal performance. What we like? These reusable silicone mats offer a fantastic non-stick surface that requires no extra oils or parchment paper. They are also incredibly easy to clean and can withstand high oven temperatures. If you're aiming for healthier baking with minimal cleanup and want a versatile mat for cookies, macarons, and bread, these are ideal. What people say. They're easy to clean, stay in place, and protect surfaces really well. These are nice and thick and are so easy to clean. I used it underneath the baking rack when making ribs and to simply remove the sheet and put in sink, and just wash everything off was so easy and my pan looked new, no mess stuck on it. They clean so easily, and keep food from sticking to them or the pans. They are thick and sturdy and easy to store in the drawer with the pans. Number 2. NutriChef 10-piece non-stick baking set. Introducing the NutriChef 10-piece baking set, your ultimate companion for all your baking needs. From cookies to cakes and everything in between, this set has you covered. Experience the magic of our premium non-stick surface. Your baked goods will slide out effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. Bake with confidence knowing our bakeware is made without harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE. It's oven safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for all your culinary adventures. Achieve consistently perfect results every time. The durable carbon steel construction ensures even heat distribution, so your cookies bake evenly and cakes rise beautifully. Maximize your kitchen space with this stackable design. It offers versatile options for baking, roasting, and reheating, making it a practical essential for any home baker. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This baking set is ideal for housewarmings, weddings, and holidays, bringing joy and convenience to any kitchen. What we like. This is a comprehensive 10-piece bakeware set made from heavy-duty carbon steel with a premium non-stick coating. It includes everything from cookie sheets to cake pans, ensuring effortless food release and easy cleanup. If you're setting up a new kitchen, need to replace multiple bakeware items, or want a versatile set for all your baking and roasting needs, this set is a great value. What people say. The non-stick coating is excellent, nothing sticks, even without oil or spray, and everything cleans up in seconds. Every pan feels solid and well-built, yet they're light enough to handle easily. Also, one pan will be great for grilling veggies on the barbecue. It has smaller holes to let water drain, which is awesome. Number 1. Silicone Baking Mat Set of 3. Cleaning up after baking is a breeze. Simply wipe it down with warm water and soap, or pop it in the dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this baking essential is safe for use in your oven, microwave, and freezer. It offers excellent heat resistance and durability for all your culinary adventures. Enjoy perfectly baked goods every time thanks to its exceptional non-stick surface. Your creations will release effortlessly, promoting healthier baking without the need for extra grease or parchment paper. Beyond baking cookies and cakes, it's perfect for making chocolates, candies, and more. It even doubles as a handy workbench mat to keep ingredients in place. This set includes 3 mats to suit all your baking needs. You'll receive 2 large mats and 1 smaller one, providing flexibility for any recipe. What we like. This set provides 3 silicone baking mats, including 2 large and 1 smaller size, offering great flexibility for various baking projects. Made from food-grade silicone, they feature a non-stick surface for easy release and are exceptionally easy to clean, even being dishwasher safe. If you bake frequently and need reliable, reusable mats in different sizes for cookies, candies, or general prep work, this set is a practical and eco-friendly option. What people say. It serves a dual purpose. It makes inserting and removing the bread from a hot Dutch oven super easy, and it also helps keep your bottom crust from getting too hard or too dark. They fit perfectly in the Dutch oven, depending on size, and they're so helpful. They're just sticky enough. They help give the bottom of the bread a perfect brown. They clean easily and are easy to store. They are a good thickness, better than parchment paper. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.